I am not happy because the sentence was today and it ended up put off again for the 20th of October. And I am so disappointed in Miss Harris that have my nephew case, because she is pleading for my nephew and she didn't know that or see that the mother of the daughter and the grandchildren is hurting, is pain all over her. She is crying tears day and night, and she is pleading for the murderer. Huh? You want the murderer to get 45 years? Tell me now, if she did have a daughter and grandchildren that someone came and murdered, would she plead for them to give them 45 years? Would she plead for them to count down for the murderer? I would like to ask her that, because I guess she don't have a child, so she don't know the pain and grief that a mother bear to carry her child. So I guess she don't have a child. And if she have a child, I don't think she would stand up and say what she say, because she would feel the pain and grief that I am going through as a mother. The one daughter. The three boy cannot do what a daughter do, you know. Because if I am sick and lying down in the bed, the son them cannot come and tidy me up. But the daughter can do that. So I just want to ask Miss Harrison if she has a daughter and would know the grief and pain that a mother bear to bring her daughter, blow in buckle to bring her daughter, and the murderer just took her life, snatched her soul.